Good morning, everyone. I'm a bit of an odd duck in this pond. I don't actually contribute to OwnCloud. I have used it. I like it a lot. But I am here today to talk about another open source project. And this project is Syncany. Allow me to first introduce myself. I am Pim Otte. I'm a master student of applied mathematics at the Technical University of Delft in the Netherlands. But more importantly, I've been contributing to Syncany for the past year, and that's why I'm here to talk to you about. So what is Syncany? Syncany relates to OwnCloud in the sense that we attempt to solve the same problem. We also don't like the closeness of the cloud, and we would like to have it more open. However, we approach this from almost the entirely opposite side. We try to encrypt everything on the client side, and we treat the cloud as a black box storage and just use it to store the encrypted files. So you might you might wonder what does Syncany have to do with OwnCloud? And I would like to take Dan up on his offer, and I would like to collaborate with you. We have a good, our backend is getting more stable, and we think OwnCloud can integrate in some ways. And I'm here today to invite you to share ideas on how this can be done. I will first talk a little bit about what Syncany is, and then I will explain some ideas how we might want to integrate. So first we have Syncany. This is a schematic of the general overview, and the important things in this graph are that we don't trust the cloud. So we want nothing, absolutely none of our data lands unencrypted on a cloud server. And we like abstraction of storage. So if you want to switch to another provider, you should be able to. So currently we support SFTP, FTP, WebDAV. You can store locally, and this makes you more flexible. The current status of Syncany is that we have a working command line. We have, since a short while, we also have a daemon that's working fairly well. And we are slowly stabilizing. At this point, we are really focusing on making sure that the data integrity is solid, that you can't lose your data because of a bug. And this is really the core of our focus at this point. We do have prototypes of a web interface and a GUI, but are very much in progress. And I think this is one of the points where it might actually be very worthwhile to look at OwnCloud and integrate with you. So we have a couple of ways we can one way we can already integrate. You provide a nice web dev interface, and we can just connect to that. I call this the dummy way because it doesn't actually do justice to OwnCloud. If you would look in the interface, you would just see a bunch of encrypted files, and that's not very useful. So a way we think we might be able to integrate is if Syncany provides the storage backend for OwnCloud. So you have a dedicated server, OwnCloud runs on it, and you could use Syncany as a backend in a similar way that you can also already use the Google Drive and Dropbox as a backend with the storage plugin and the encryption. But Syncany also provides versioning in this scheme. So to sum up, if you want to know more, if you have any ideas, I would like to invite you to contact us. I'll be here during the lunch. Talk to me. I want to hear your ideas. If you want to, you can join us on IRC at #Syncany at the Freenode network. And if you want more information in general, you can visit www.syncany.org or visit our GitHub repository. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your work on OwnCloud, and I hope to talk to you later.